Good morning and welcome to Full Circle Ozarks.
Good Christmas morning, Full Circle Ozark family. You can see I've got some charcoal going. I have a trash can there. We're getting this charcoal ready, and we're going to cook a trash can turkey today for Christmas. So I'm just trying to get the coals to catch up, and we'll get the turkey out here in a little bit. We'll get some olive oil on it, get it coated good. We'll put some rub on it and get it ready to go in the trash can. Once I get everything ready, put the turkey in, put the trash can over it. It has to cook for an hour or so. So anyway, I hope you have a Merry Christmas. And we'll be checking back in from time to time as I do different things. I'm just now trying to get the charcoal going. So we'll be back shortly. Welcome back, folks. The charcoal is getting close to being ready, so I'm going to go ahead and start prepping. This right here is something that I made. I got an old brake drum here, got me a piece of pipe welded on. So we're going to wrap this in foil, and then we're going to impale the turkey over this. So okay, that's wrapped up nicely. We've got the turkey here. We're going to take and just impale it over the brake drum there. Okay, I'll pin that down here in just a moment. So we're getting close. Okay, we got some olive oil here. We're going to coat this bird in olive oil. This also helps with the rub that I'm going to put on. So. And that olive oil allows it to turn a real nice brown. So, got that done. I actually have some Weber dry rub that I like to use. So we're going to sprinkle a little bit of that over it. It must be really dry, it's not wanting to come out. We'll get it broke up. addition, I think I may have some more rubs. This right here is actually just a poultry seasoning I like to add. As you can see, the wind blowing, so get that rubbed in a little bit. Get some on that leg there. Okay, that's got it just about ready. I'm going to get something, pin the feathers back. I normally use a toothpick. I don't have one with me, so I need to run back and get those. And then we'll be ready to put it on, so we'll be right back with you. We're about to get the show on the road. This table here is kind of acting like a windbreak for me. So now, I'm going to put some charcoal around the base of it. And we got some charcoal we're going to add on the top of it. So now I'm going to go get some more charcoal and kind of build up around it a little bit. That's pretty much it now. I'm going to set a timer and we'll come back and check it here in a little bit. think I may have forgot to tell you folks, but we're going to let this cook an hour and a half. So as you can see, I got the charcoal spread around it good. I added some more on the top. What I added at the top is some match light that I had. You don't want to put the match light at the bottom. Sometimes that the product they have on it for the match light, it has a little bit of an odor to it, so you don't really want that. On the top, it's just want to be okay. But anyway, the rest of that charcoal should be catching up here briefly, and in an hour and a half, we should have a nice brown turkey ready for Christmas dinner. So hope you stay tuned, and I'll give you another update here soon. Well, folks, everything is still progressing really well. You can see it. Still got quite a few charcoals there. We've got about 25-26 minutes left on the cook, and then we'll be pulling the coals back and taking the turkey out, and I'll show you a picture of what it looks like. So just wanted to give you a brief update, so we'll be back again shortly. Well, folks, it's been an hour and a half. We're going to rake the coals back and see what we got. So let me keep my gloves on and we'll get started. Now, look how golden brown that turkey is now. And I'm glad it's done. I don't know if you can tell it on the camera. It's just beginning to sprinkle and rain. But I'm going to get you a close-up of this, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it in the pan. We'll take it in the house. That looks good. Well, folks, I'll get this bird off and get it in the pan, get it in the house, and I'll let you know how it tastes. Now, how does that look to you? That is some nice looking meat. So we'll get this down to the house now.
Okay.
Yes. Ooh,
Hot.
hot, huh?
Yeah.
Just a small piece.
All right, there's your one right there.
Nice and tender.
Yeah, it is just falling off the bone.
You try a bite of it.
Okay.
What do you think?
It's got a really
good taste.
Really good flavor, isn't it?
Really good. So, it's so moist. Okay, well that's a trash can turkey again, and it is delicious.
And folks, here's where we're going to end the video today. We're getting ready to have Christmas dinner with our family. They should be arriving any moment. But I just wanted to take this opportunity again to wish each of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we'll see you again soon on the next Full Circle Ozarks.